Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You already have an account. Now start building. Open personas, create a new persona, and paste a focused 150-300 word bio that states goals and limits. Next, set tone and expertise levels so the model matches your intent. Keep them concise and actionable. Once done, upload or paste 3 representative prompts that reflect real tasks the persona should handle. Make sure to toggle privacy and sharing settings before testing to avoid accidental exposure. Now refine behavior. Define response length, preferred structure, and explicit phrases to use or avoid. You should add system rules, safety constraints, ban topics, and a clear fallback when the persona can't help. Then run iterative tests using 10 varied prompts. Observe failures, edit the bio or rules, and save versions so you can revert. While testing, vary context complexity, and note where the persona hallucinated or dropped the task so you can tighten instructions. Finish by locking the persona settings and sharing the link with stakeholders or exporting a copy for backup. You should monitor early interactions and collect 50 representative user examples to identify gaps and biases. If the persona drifts or misbehaves, first tighten rules and update the bio with concrete examples. If problems persist, revert to a previous stable version and rerun tests. One key tip: when unexpected responses occur, add a negative example and an explicit refusal line to prevent repeats.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.